The man blew up the planet with some dynamite. The wheelie bins blew over in the wind. The woman blew on a hot cup of tea. It was boiling hot. Exhaust fumes blew out of the exhaust pipe, causing a large amount of pollution. The child blew out some air and made the wind turbine go round and round. The child was being environmentally friendly. The fan blew out some cold air in the woman's face. The woman blew on the wind turbines. The woman blew on the hot chocolate drink. The air conditioner blew out some cold air into the room. The woman blew out some love hearts into the universe. The woman blew her nose with a handkerchief. The woman blew some bubblegum. The angry businesswoman blew the whistle and showed the red card. The American flag blew in the wind. The birthday girl blew out the candles. The sick man lay in his bed and blew his nose. The woman blew her hair dry with a hairdryer. The 70-year-old man blew out the 2 candles on his birthday cake. The golfer blew the golf ball into the hole. The young woman lay on the grass in the field and blew dandelion flowers. The senior woman blew her nose with a tissue. The man blew up a white balloon. The tree blew in the wind. The man blew into the breathalyzer. The boy blew up a blue balloon. The leaves blew along the ground. The woman's long brown hair blew in the wind. The boy blew out some air and made the boat sail. The woman blew you a kiss. The boy blew some bubbles in the park.